What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Mercedes ML320 build series kind of thing. So we have some updates. Doesn't run and drive yet, but we have found some things out. So after some further testing, we figured out that somebody has been in here and somebody's been messing with stuff, okay? So the whole not instrument cluster, but in the center console, basically how you control everything, windows, locks, doors, everything, that was, half of it was unplugged. So we plugged that in. We also had a problem with fuse number 10 constantly blowing, okay? It takes a 10 amp, it'd blow a 10 amp, 20 amp, blow a 20 amp. We put a 30 amp in there, it didn't blow. But what did happen is it started smoking, okay? Inside the car, it started smoking. So we had to take apart the headliner, because that's where it was smoking from. And we found right above the window visor, we found this guy here. And as you can see, it's fried. That is absolutely fried, and that's why it kept blowing. Again, this connects to like the window visor, the sun visor, whatever you want to call it. We ended up just taking that out and everything's good. We got the radio to work. The lights are working, still doesn't start. We did find out how to get it in neutral too, the safety switch. We found the safety switch to actually put it in like park, neutral, drive, whatever, which is phenomenal. So we got that taken care of. That's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it towed to a buddy's. He's going to diagnose it, and we're going to kind of go from there. But we did just have to take off this taillight because of a wasp infestation that happened in this car. If you guys watched the video where we detailed it, you will know that we had a major infestation with bugs and everything. So yeah, we had to take that off. So I was like, you know what? I got new taillights for it. May as well just put them on anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take off these taillights, how to put them on, and we're gonna see what they look like, even though it doesn't run or drive yet. But I'm confident that Brian will get it taken care of. You can see we already took out this light. I will show you how to do it on this one, but it's really simple, thank God. That's about the only simple thing on this vehicle so far is these taillights. So let me show you guys on the other side how to do it. Okay, so for this, all you're gonna need is a 10 millimeter. It's really that easy. I know, it's like, what kind of caveat here, but there is none. You're gonna see these little, it's kind of hard to see, I'm blocking the light a little bit, but these little bolts right there, they are 10 millimeter bolts. You can use a flathead, but they're plastic and they tend to break. So we are just going to loosen these up, and it's gonna come right out. We got both of those bolts off, and like I said, they are just these little plastic things right here. They're 10 millimeter. You can see how they will kind of break if you try to use a flathead, so I recommend a 10 mil, but they come right off. They're plastic, super easy to get off. And this literally comes right out. Like, that's it. Like, that's the only thing. There's not even really clips in there holding this together. And yeah, this kind of comes right out, and all you have to worry about is this clip right here. Sorry, it's a little hard to see, but this clip right here on the bottom side of it, you just have to get a flathead and kind of pry it over that lip, and it'll come right off. So we have got that off. Now I'm going to show you guys something I've never seen before. So this is what the taillight looks like when you take it off. Now I was very confused because I'm like, dang, where are all the bulbs? Well, if you'll notice, there is these tabs right here that you basically just pinch inward like this on each side, and basically this whole like circuit board kind of thing comes. I've never seen something like this before. This is incredibly interesting. I've never seen anything like this, but yeah, that's how you get the bulbs. So we are going to be reusing this, I believe. So here is the new taillight. It looks really good, kind of a lighter smoke. It's not super dark. Those are LEDs down there. I don't know if those are brake lights or what, but we do not need that panel on the back. As you can see, this one and this one, you can actually change. These, those ones, the top and the bottom, do not change. I got these off eBay for like $100. Pretty happy with how they look. So yeah, I guess we don't have to change anything over, and we're just gonna pop these in, and connection looks the same, so hopefully it'll be good. All right, so we have it plugged in. We're literally just gonna kind of set it in there, make sure the wire is kind of tucked back there. So I'm not used to filming with one hand here. And then we have to get those little whatevers in between there. This looks a little off. You see it's a little sunk in back here, so we might have to do some fine adjusting, but we'll get it to work. Sorry for all these jump cuts. That's kind of it mocked up. So what you do need to make sure is lined up is that guy right there. There's a hole right there, and there's that right there. That has to go into that. Actually, oh my gosh, how did I not notice that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, we're gonna take care of that. How did I not notice that? Well, we're gonna take care of that, and we'll be right back. All right, so I know this isn't the best video. I can't get the best angle because, again, this thing is dead in the water right now, but I am very happy with how these taillights came out. They look so much better than what they did from the factory. They really do look very good. Can't test the reverse lights, can't test the turn signals, unfortunately, but we at least know what they look like. You want to turn off the lights and then all off. Nice smoked look. Very happy with how these turned out.